Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys some new stuff that I got from Creative Clawz. I have 3 glow-in-the-dark acrylic powders here and a bunch of different colored holographic glitters. I'm going to be using these in my next set that I'm doing on myself. I'm just trying to get some time to sit down and do my nails. These are the powders I'm using in the video today. I'm using this shimmery white called Opal Moon and a pink called Dusty Rose. If you guys are interested in any of these products, they will be in the description box. Please check down below for that. Creative Clawz has updated their packaging and their glitters come in these little easy to store containers with lids, and it's really nice. I really appreciate that detail. The names are on the bottom as well. And this is the glow. Unfortunately, my camera was not picking up how bright they were glowing, but the white is like very blue and the pink that I'm using is green, and it's not showing as green for some reason on my camera, but in person it's very distinct green. The black acrylic kind of is a less bright blue, but it still glows, so I can't wait to use that as well. Thank you so much to Shannon. So this is how I'm using them. I'm just going to take Opal Moon and blend that up the nail. One thing I noticed is that these powders are very, very, very smooth. I don't think I've ever worked with an acrylic that was this smooth before. It was almost like a gel consistency. It was amazing. I had a little bit of a learning curve because the texture was so nice. It's better than anything I've had before. So I just had to use a little bit less monomer with these, but they work amazing. I really, 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 really love this color. Dusty Rose is so pretty. I thought it was gonna be a more pale pink, but it came out to be a little bit more saturated and coral. And I think it looks so pretty on her skin. I absolutely love it. As you can see, the blend is effortless. You're not gonna get any weird kind of like streaks with this powder. I was able to go back in with the white and just paint it up the nail. It's amazing. I'm using my number 12 alpha brush and my code is FEMI10 for 10% off if you're interested. This is the oval alpha brush. I have BU stiletto tips applied and a thin layer of clear acrylic. I always get asked what tips I use and how do I get my nails to this shape. It is so easy. All you have to do is glue on the nail tip and cut off the number and you have your coffin shape. So that's all I do, and then you can just start applying your acrylic. If you guys want to see more detail on my prep and stuff like that, there's going to be a video linked in the top right corner that will tell you everything about that, as well as my filing routine and stuff like that. Once I get the blend that I like, I'm going to encapsulate with clear, and I'm doing this on all 10 nails. So I'm just going to let you guys watch my application, and then I'll be back after filing.
like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
After file shaping and buffing the nails, I top coated all of the nails with IBD Intense Seal and cured. In hindsight, I should not have done this first. I should have applied my bling first. I find that the Zulays Bling Adhesive resin works better on a nail that has just been filed with no top coat, just because it doesn't slide around. It has something to kind of like grab onto. But I thought I was gonna put chrome on these nails, and after top coating them, I really liked how they looked by themselves, so I just left them alone. So in the next clip, I'm gonna be applying my bling, but if you're copying this look, I recommend you to start with your bling first and then top coat around it. So before I put this really big bling piece on, I etched the surface of her nail, and I'm using acrylic to apply this. She only wanted one of these. She really liked how it looked on my nails in one of my older sets that I had for myself. I had like 3 of these on one nail, and she didn't want to do that much. She just wanted one. So this is how I applied it. I just put down acrylic and stuck it on, and now I'm reinforcing all of the edges and gaps. I'm filling them in with acrylic all around the stone. I'm out of frame for this, but hopefully you can understand what I mean. I wasn't really sure what to do with this nail after I put this stone on, so I ended up blinging out the entire nail. I'm not gonna bore you guys because I used size SS5 to bling the nail, and it took so long. We were both getting impatient, so I didn't even copy this design on the other side. I just did something different on the other hand. But that's why there's a sudden jump cut to the next nail, because it took a really long time to do this nail. But yeah, if you were wondering how I did it, that's how I did it. I also put down like a couple of SS tins to fill in some of the gaps, but I probably won't be recreating that because that was so stressful. And then I just did some simple bling on the rest of the nails because we were so tired. It was the end of the night. So as you can see, we just put a little AB bow charm on her other hand, and I think this is so cute. I love how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe already and follow me on my socials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!